Transversal.
Yes, transversal. So what is this area referred to?
Exterior.
Exterior. And what is this area referred to?
Interior.
Interior. Okay, because that is with reference to the blue lines. Okay, now only with reference to the transversal, point X and point Y, where do they lie? What is the term, same or with reference to the transversal? Same or alternate?
Same side.
Same. So X and Z, where do they lie? With reference to the transversal, X
Alternate.
and Z? Alternate. So you all are all very clear on what are these terms, right? Exterior, interior, alternate, and allied or same side. Okay, now based on this understanding, tell me angle A and angle B. What is this pair of? Absolutely. Exterior, they are lying in the exterior, and with reference to the transversal, they are on the opposite sides. So exterior alternate angles A and B are exterior alternate. Now these two angles, what?
Interior alternate.
Interior alternate. These two angles are interior alternate. Suppose they are B and C. B and C are interior alternate because they are in the interior side as regards to the blue lines, and they are on the opposite sides as regard to the transversal. So interior alternate. Then you have this and this. One is in the exterior and the other one is in the interior. But with regards to the transversal, they are on the same side. So what is this pair called? Very good. So they are called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles lie on the different sides as regards to exterior and interior, but as regards to transversal, they lie on the same side. So corresponding. What are these two angles? What pair do they form? As regards to the blue lines, where are they lying?
They're on the interior.
Interior. And as regards to the transversal, where are they lying? Same.
Co-interior.
So it is co-interior. What are the other names?
Conjoined.
Conjoined. Conjoined you can remember by conjoined twins. Okay, conjoined. And then what is the other? One more word was there?
Allied angles.
Allied. Okay, all of these mean the same. That means on the same side of the transversal and in the interior as regards to the other two lines. Refreshed. All this has been done last time. Now you're able to recollect it. We'll go further based on this understanding. Okay. Look at this. But when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, there is a relation. Angles are formed when these are two parallel lines AB and CD. Okay, they are cut by the transversal XY. So you're saying that exterior alternate angles are formed. Which are the two exterior alternates? The yellow and this one. These are exterior alternates. And this one is exterior alternate to this. But when the lines are parallel, there is a relation such that the exterior alternate angles will be equal. Okay, this relation is existing only if the lines are parallel. Okay, the angles exist and the angles are created, but the relation between two exterior angles being equal or whatever, those relations are there only if the transversal is cutting across two parallel lines. For example, this one. Okay, these two are parallel lines. Therefore, the exterior alternate angles are going to be equal. Okay, this is the final formation figure formed. so that the yellow colors indicate that the angles are the same. Initial colors simply indicate that there are two pairs of exterior angles formed, the green and the yellow, and the blue and the pink. Okay, that is for exterior alternate angles. Next one is interior alternate. If you observe, this interior alternate angles are formed, this pair. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So which are the interior alternate pairs? 1 and 3 and 2 and 4.
2
Now,
and 4.
when it is parallel lines, there is a relation. What is the relation? These are equal. That is the relation that is being shown when they are turning this way and putting it, to make you understand that these two are going to be the same. So exterior alternate angles when it's parallel lines. Okay, let's today talk only about when the parallel lines and a transversal. So exterior alternate angles are equal. Interior alternate angles are also equal when the lines are parallel. Now the next one, when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, corresponding angles are also formed. So what are the corresponding angles you remember? What did we say were corresponding?
One is inside and one is outside. They're on the
One is in the exterior and one is in the interior.
and
It
on
could
the
be anywhere. So, but when the lines are parallel, what is it saying? These angles are going to be equal. Okay, so let me just name the angles 3, 3, 4. So these are the corresponding angles anyways. But in case of 6, parallel lines, there is a relation 7 and 8, which are the corresponding pairs in this, guys? Equal. That is what they are 1 showing and 8, when it's 1 and down. 5. You observe that it's the same 1 and 5, 2 corner and 6.
2 and
Then
6.
which
8 and
else is
4.
it? 4 and exterior 8. Angles, exterior
And 3 and
alternate
7.
angles equal, and interior alternate angles equal, corresponding angles equal when the lines are parallel. Up to here is clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is just showing you the different angles. Okay, in this case, angle XQC and XPA. XQC is here, XQC is this one, and XPA is this one. Sorry. So one is in the interior, one is in the exterior, and but they both are in the same side of the transversal. And the other one is YQC and YPA. Which is YQC? YQC is this one. And what is YQA? No, YPA is, I'll just mark it separately, is this one. These two are the corresponding here on the other side of the transversal. Then here, when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, what else happens? When two lines are cut by a transversal, you get co-interior, conjoined, or allied. But when it is cutting two parallel lines, what happens? These are supplementary. Which means, in this case, which are the allied or the conjoined pairs?
3 and 6. 4
3
and
and
5.
6.
4 and 5.
And 4 and 5. What is the relation when the lines are parallel? The relation is they are supplementary, which means they sum up to 180 degrees. Okay, exterior alternate angles are equal, interior alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, but co-interior or conjoined or allied angles are supplementary in case of parallel lines. Exterior allied are what? Exterior means 1 and 8 are in the exterior. Allied means, of course, the same side of the transversal. So 1 and 8 and 2 and 7.
2 and
2
7.
and 7. What's the relation there? They are also supplementary. Got this, guys?